Hey guys, Scott True here with Dimora Homes. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of 213 Kipahulu, a high performance home we just finished in Bastrop, Texas, with modern high-end style and awesome views from the top of the hill. We'll start this tour from the front. Around the front door and porch area we have our stone tile cladding. This porch has real nice views. Inside the living room, we've got our electric fireplace with shelving surround, real high ceiling. Off to the left is the dining room with bar, and then the kitchen. Real powerful hood here, up to 900 CFM with remote blower, so you don't have to listen to it. That's connected to a Fantech fan forced makeup air system. On this side of the house, we have the game room. This game room opens up to a front deck. Underneath this deck is a TPO flat roof system with drain, because below that is the garage. Again, awesome views. This room has a closet, so it could be made into a mother-in-law suite. And there is a bathroom right off to the side for that purpose. That's also the guest bathroom. Moving towards the back of the house, we've got a room off to this side. The utility room all the way in the back. A corner office. And the master suite. This master suite opens up to its own porch area. One of many spots on this house to enjoy the outdoors. Nice big walk-in closet. And a real nice master bathroom. Standalone tub, anti-fog mirror, seamless transition shower with multiple spray heads, shower niche and bench. Up on the second floor, we have a few more bedrooms. And a bathroom. Here's the last bedroom, with closet, of course, and this is where you would access the mechanicals. A high-performance home is one that is durable, comfortable, healthy, and energy efficient. In terms of durability, water management is the #1 thing that we can do to make our houses last for generations to come. Water infiltration is the #1 cause of building failure. So that's something we take serious. In this case, and in many of our homes, we've used the zip sheathing, which is a sheathing product with a weather barrier incorporated on it. We've taped all of the seams. We've taped the window openings before the window goes in. And that sheathing is also taped to the slab with a special Siga tape that sticks to concrete. We've underpinned that so you don't see it. And then around every soffit, we've taped behind the cladding. Everything is taped and caulked so it's completely airtight and watertight. I'm up here where we would access the mechanicals, and I want to talk about what makes this house high performance in terms of the comfort, health, and indoor air quality and energy efficiency part of home performance. So we've started with a tight, building tight with zip sheathing and taping all the seams, flashing all the penetrations. We've used advanced framing with 2x6 walls, and then a rain screen, a 3/4 inch rain screen on the outside of that. So in our wall cavities, we have R23 blown in fiberglass. And at the roof decking, I believe we have about 7 or 8 inches of open cell spray foam. I'll have to confirm that, but that should put us at right around R28, R29 at the roof decking. So with that superior insulation strategy and building super tight and doing a correct manual J calculation, we've been able to downsize the HVAC system so that it runs efficiently, number one, but also runs often enough to dehumidify and filter the air. With the house being tight, we wanted to make sure that all of the ventilation is balanced. So this is the ERV here. In this house, there are no traditional, what builders would call fart fans. We don't do that. All ventilation is balanced and goes through that ERV. And that ERV runs 24/7, pulling in a little bit of outside air all the time and exhausting indoor air through these points in the bathrooms and in the laundry rooms. So there's an air exchange happening all the time. Now in the bathrooms and laundry room, there'll be a button here that when pressed, the ERV kicks into high speed, exhausting at a much higher rate. Here's some footage from inside the attic. It is a conditioned attic, obviously. That's what we do with high performance. So all of the HVAC and ducts are within a conditioned space. Here we have the Fantech makeup air kit for that range hood. The outside air comes in through this damper that opens up when that range hood is on, through this big filter box here. On top of that filter box is a controller that reads the current from that range hood so that it can control this fan here and match the CFM. So whatever CFM that range hood is sucking out, this fan is going to suck in outside fresh air and filter this exact same amount. And then this next piece is a silencer, another piece to help with the noise. Here's a closer look at that Carrier heat pump system. This is the air handler with the 4-inch filter there. Just pull that door open to replace that filter. This is, of course, all within conditioned space. There's that makeup air kit down there. There's another door down there to access that. That ERV does have a control panel here so that it can be controlled manually if desired. Right now you'll see it on full speed because I just pressed that bathroom button. But here I can shut it off completely or go ahead and turn it back down. With the 3 bars, the 1 and 2 bars are the settings for it turning on and off basically. But I like the 3 bar setting, which is it's running all the time at a very low speed. And then right here we've got our Ecobee thermostat, Wi-Fi enabled, and Google and Alexa compatible. That's it, guys, for the tour. Stay tuned for more information and the listing details on this house. We'll see you next time on Scotch Rue Builds.